Good morning, everyone. So today I'm going to show you how I make a combine harvester flag. This is the design that I've come up with. I found it online, and it works good. We live in the middle of wheat country, so this is a wheat combine. I've seen lots of them with corn headers and stuff on it, but it doesn't really fit our area. So I've gotten a lot of questions on how I do it, the paints and stuff like that, and what steps I take to create the end product. So we're gonna just go out to the CNC and I'll video carving each step and go from there. So the first step that I do is I just create a flag with just the red and the blue. So I'll do the union blue and then the rest of the flag red, tape it all off so it looks nice and sharp. It'll look something like, let's see if I have a picture. It'll look like this to start with. So that's all taped off and ready to go. And then what we're going to do is we're going to carve just the overall pocket of the combine next. And we'll go through that. I'll just kind of go through a quick video of how it carves and go from there. Okay, so here's a quick carve that it's going to do. It's just going to carve the pocket out. Let me pause this. Let me get it to where it's all carved out here. Okay. So you see, the pocket's all carved out. There is still a little bit of red where it didn't take quite as much off here, but don't worry because we need to carve deeper as we go along. This is just the very beginning phase of carving out the flag. So this is what we'll look like for the combine part, and I will show you next how we start adding some detail to the combine. Okay, so here we are using a 15-degree engraving bit, and we're going through this and adding all the detail of the combine and the wheat being thrashed into the header, and all of the detail for their picture is getting added. What our goal is when we paint this, we want all the black paint to end up down in the valleys, and then we're going to take the top back off and it's going to be white. And you'll kind of see once we do that with another surfacing bit, we're going to take all that off and it just pops. It'll look really good. So our goal right now is just add a bunch of detail and carve away. This takes a long time with my engraving bit, but it works out pretty good. Okay everyone, so now I'm going to carve the stripes on my flag. I'm using an 1/8 inch down cut bit, and this is obviously sped up a little bit, but I'm going to go ahead and just carve away all the stripes. It takes a little bit of time, and you can see like right in here it still showed a little red, so I had to go do another pass off camera. But this is the basic principle of it, just cutting these stripes out. And you'll see we're just about done here. I wish my CNC would go that fast. Well, it would, but my bit wouldn't handle it, that's for sure. So there you go, that's the stripes. Okay, so now I'm going to carve the stars out with my CNC. As you can see, it's going pretty fast. I used a 60-degree V-bit and just did a pocket path with a max depth of 0.05, and cuts pretty clean stars that way. Like I said, max depth 0.05, 60-degree V-bit, and I just use it doing a pocket cut. It takes a little time, but not bad at all. Okay, so now I've finished the sanding of the flag. I got that all tuned up so it's nice and sharp image, and cleaned up some of the edges and things like that, and then added some gloss paint. It's still not dry, so you can kind of see some orange peeling and stuff, but once it dries, it'll dry pretty smooth. But that's kind of the finished product there of the combine flag, and kind of all the steps that I go through on how to make the flag. If you guys have any questions, just feel free to comment in the bottom and let me know what you think. And that's all for today. So again, just please like and share my videos, and then comment if you have any questions. Thank you guys.